Hello, another day, another vlog of property. I'm here at Barangay Bati, San Juan City, a few step away from Engbitin Restaurant of F. Blooming Treat. Yan. 663 ang lot area, vacant lot. Ang frontage is 14.55 meters, facing south. Yan po vacant lot. Ang shape po ng lot is baliktad na L. Baliktad na L shape po siya. Baliktad Vacant lot po yan. Ang zonal value is naglalaro ng 43,000 per square meter above yan. Vacant lot po yan. Dalawa po ang daan dyan. Maraming daan. Isang pa F. Blooming Treat going San Juan, Agora, going Green Hills. Isang F. Manalo going Shaw Boulevard, EDSA. Going Jose Rizal University. Yan. Walking distance po sa lahat yan. Walking distance. Yan po Ang frontage yan, 14.55 facing south. Ayan po. Ayan. Makikita nyo naman. Maganda yung location. For sale po yan. 663 square meter. Mag-counter offer na lang upon viewing. Currently, hindi mabuksan yung gate. Since sira na yung pinakalock niya, makikita naman po yung yung loob since mababa lang po yung gate niyan. Makipag-ugnayan na lang po sa akin pag magbi-viewing. Bye from now.